everyone. So this video is just showing you how to put together these little bath satchel things that I'm going to be putting in these little goodie bags as party favors, as baby shower favors. Few things that I would do differently is I would not put the oatmeal in them because it's a mesh bag, and I don't know if you can see, but it definitely comes out because it's just powder. Didn't quite think that one through, did I? No, I didn't. So they're just like these cute little satchels that you can either dump out into your into your bath, or just drop the whole satchel in there. I don't know where I got the idea for this. Probably another YouTube video. But yeah, it's all made with dollar store products and or items I already had laying around, like the little flower petals in there, the little dried flower petals. I already had those, and I am just making a mess everywhere. And now there's like powdered oatmeal all over my table and all over my floor. But anyway, so enjoy this hopefully short video, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Okay, so I'm using the Soothing Oatmeal Bath Treatment. It's colloidal oatmeal. Also using two different types of Epsom salt. One's unscented and the other one's lavender scented. I also have these bath soak salts. It's basically the same thing as the Epsom salt, the lavender scented one. And then these are some dried flowers that I had from my wedding. And then the Organza bags I have came 8 to a pack. There's white with pink string, green. Well, there's like white or clear with pink string, green string, and white string. Why can't I say string? I feel like Benedict Cumberbatch whenever he was trying to say penguin. So I don't think I recorded the first like part of me just putting in the Epsom salts, and so I think here I am. I don't know what I'm doing here. Basically, I put in the oatmeal, the Epsom salts, the bath soak, the flowers. I feel like there was one more thing I put in there, but I guess that's it. I put them all in this jar and then just shook them up to kind of mix them all together. And then I'm using a super fancy, super great plastic spoon to scoop out and put them in each bag. And so I wanted them to be about as even as possible, so I just went through 1 scoop each bag, went through 2 scoop each bag, went through 3 scoop each bag, so on, so on, so on, so on, so on. You just saw my husband pass through there on his way to go do whatever he does. Look at my long hair. Ooh, look at her. Long hair, green hair, don't care. Then I went and cut it all off. Not regretting it at all. Not even just a little bit. So I did these. I don't even know how many people we're expecting. I think we invited about 30 people, and so I'm expecting about that many, just in like how many people we invited and then how many people they might bring, because even though you invited 30 people won't always show up, and yeah, whatever. Math, guys. So I got, what did I get? I got 4 of the 8 packs of these little bags. So I believe that's 32. Don't quote me. And I just went through and, like I said, 1 spoon at a time, each of these bags, to try to keep it as even as possible. That way one person doesn't get a whole lot and the other person doesn't get, a little. I don't know what the hell I was doing there. Just having a whole conversation, I guess. We were just going through and adding all these in there. And like I said, I don't remember where I got the idea for this, but I do like for baby showers, bridal showers, engagement showers, anything shower related. I like the idea of giving like a shower or bath gift. So bubble bath, shower, what are those things called? Where you put it at the bottom of your shower and the water releases like aromatherapy. Steamers, shower steamers, things like that. I just think that it's cute, especially, with the freaking corny wording of from our shower to yours, so on, so on. And I thought these would be nice, I like taking baths. I like, soaking in Epsom salt, and I have eczema and stress eczema, as I found out during my whole wedding planning fiasco. And so colloidal oatmeal is really, really good for that. So I don't know. I just feel like we all need some time to pamper ourselves, and it's nice. Take a little warm bubble bath and read a book, drink a glass of wine. all that jazz. So I think I'm getting towards the bottom here. Now, something that I would not do if I were to do this again is I would not add the oatmeal because I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, I know what I was thinking. I was like, oh, colloidal oatmeal is really good for baths. Let's throw that in there. I did not think about the fact that it's a mesh bag and the oatmeal is in powder form and will then come out of the bag. So, hmm, you know, kudos to me for thinking with my dipstick there. So I have these in little trays because they're a little hard to manage. I bought these trays off of Amazon for organization purposes, and they just so happen to work for me here. So they're just really, I guess they're like pencil trays. They're really long and skinny, and they work just fine. And at some point, I gave up on the spoon. Oh, I was at the bottom of the bag, and I knew it was going to be a spoon for each one. So I just poured whatever was left into this little measuring cup because it had a spout or whatever to where I could pour it out. And I just did that. So that's how I put that together. These are going to go in favor bags amongst other things, so hopefully people enjoy these. I don't know why I look so confused there. I don't know. Then I realized I was recording and said, let me stop showing you this ugly mug. So that's it. That's all I got, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. This one was crap as well, but we're getting better.
Alright, well that was... I'm still fucking oatmeal powder everywhere. That was that. Nice, quick, easy little... there's other things that are going in the favor bags, goodie bags, whatever they're freaking called. There's more things going in those. But I just thought that would be a nice little thing to, treat yourself. Drop it in your bath, have a nice hot bath. Do people other than myself do baths? I don't know. My freaking cat is freaking out behind this camera, so I'm gonna skedaddle before we all just crash and burn in this video. So, sorry. Yep, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, stay kind, and true to yourselves. Bye, guys.